Do you want to be prepared for whatever happens? With what-if scenarios in Meisterplan, you can. Even the best plans may need to be adapted when things change. Sometimes projects run off track, the business environment changes, or urgent new initiatives are introduced that require you to alter your plan. Changes like these have you asking the question, what if? To answer it, you need to be able to simulate alternatives and get real-time insights. With Meisterplan, you can simulate plan alternatives by creating scenarios based on real project data. In Meisterplan, your current project plan is called the Plan of Record. Here in the upper part of the Portfolio Designer view, you can see when each project is scheduled and who's assigned to the project. In the lower part, you see who's over-allocated and who has more capacity remaining for other work. Your Plan of Record is usually the starting point for scenarios. Under Manage, Scenarios, you add a new scenario which copies all the data from the Plan of Record. After you've opened the new scenario, you can safely make changes without overwriting the Plan of Record. As you add new projects to the portfolio or reschedule others, you see in real time how resource utilization changes, or if dependencies between projects are still met. To know which alternative is best, highlight the difference between scenarios right here in the Gantt chart using the Scenario Comparison feature. In the project overview, you can also have a look at the differences between the scenarios on a project level. If you need a more detailed comparison, go to the Reports view and use a Scenario Comparison report. Here, you can compare data from the scenarios and see their differences at a glance. And if you want, you can export that report too. Scenarios are also useful for other Meisterplan views. For example, you can have a look at the roadmap according to your scenario. You can use scenarios to present proposed project portfolios to your organization's decision makers. Once approved, you can apply the scenario as the new Plan of Record. To do so, you can either apply individual projects from a scenario to the current Plan of Record, or replace the entire Plan of Record with all project data from the scenario. Scenarios are also a great way for creating regular snapshots of your data to use as a backup. That's a quick overview of how Meisterplan's what-if scenarios empower you to make the right decisions. You can find more information by visiting our Help Center or contacting our team of experts. We're happy to help.